Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by freeing necessary space and confirming network access. This prevents interrupted downloads. Once signed into your Xbox account, navigate to My Games and Apps and highlight Fortnite. Press Menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons so you can see pending updates. If an update is listed, choose Update immediately. This kicks off the download. Make sure your console won't auto-shut down or enter sleep during the process, so the files apply cleanly and avoid corrupt installs. You monitor progress in the queue to track % complete and estimated time. This helps you decide if you need to pause other activity. If the download stalls, quit Fortnite and go to network settings to run a connection test. This identifies DNS or latency problems. Once done, restart the update from My Games and Apps. Make sure to temporarily disable bandwidth-heavy apps on your network, so the Xbox receives full download priority and completes faster. You finish by launching Fortnite so the game can apply remaining patches and verify file integrity. This step completes the update process. If the update fails, power cycle the console. Hold the Xbox button 10 seconds, unplug 10 seconds, then restart. This clears transient errors. If problems persist, clear alternate MAC address in network settings or uninstall and reinstall Fortnite as a last resort. These steps reset caches and replace corrupted files so you can return to play quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.